What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna make Puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And supposedly, Puppet is the strongest animatronic, I think, in the game. Boombastic side. Okay, first, I'm gonna time lapse this. Okay, we got the first leg. It's taller than me, and we're gonna make the second one. Just pop it right up. Boom! There, got the leg. Now time lapse it. What's up, guys? For the face I'm gonna be doing, the face shape is this and this squeezed together, like as you can see the outline right there. India.
Did I just say India?
There, I got the face. Now time to move on to the arms. There, I'm all done with Puppet. Look it. The face. And yeah. Look at that jawline, bro. And yeah. Bye.